For all staff, even if you do not have a plus block or homeroom, we're asking that you enable Guardian Summaries for all classes you teach that have students enrolled. In order to do so, open your Google Classroom and click on one of the classes that you're currently teaching that have students enrolled. I'm going to click on the title, and in the upper right corner, click on the gear. Scroll down to the General section, and at the bottom of the General section, you'll find Guardian Summaries. There is an example of a Guardian Summary here, and you're going to click and enable the slider on the right-hand side. If it's a dark gray color with the minus, it is not currently enabled. When you click on the right-hand side, you're going to get a pop-up that's asking you to confirm to add Guardian Summaries. There is a checkbox on this pop-up that then allows you to either enable Guardian Summaries for all classes you teach, or you can uncheck it and enable the Guardian Summaries for each class one by one manually. I'm going to uncheck it, but you are able to check it if you wish. I'm going to do Add Class. Now you can see that there's a check mark. Guardian Summaries has been enabled, and I need to save it. I'll go back into my next class that I'm currently teaching, click on the name, click on the gear, scroll down to General, find the Guardian Summary section, and click on the right side of the slider. Again, I get that same pop-up to confirm, and I'm going to uncheck this again because I'm going to do my classes one by one for all of my classes. You are allowed to leave the checkbox enabled if you wish, and that will add them for all of your classes and enable them. Do Add Class and save. Go back. And you're going to continue this process for all of your classes, including your homeroom. You also can enable Guardian Summaries for any clubs or activities that have students enrolled, and then parents will also be able to see announcements that are showing up in those Google Classrooms as well. If you need any help, please see your building TIS.